In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook Business Manager account. This tool is essential for managing all your Facebook business assets, including pages, ads, and more, in a centralized location. It's a fantastic way to keep everything organized and under control, particularly if you're handling multiple clients or business pages. So let's dive into the process and get your business account up and running smoothly. To start, begin by navigating to business.facebook.com. This is the hub for all things related to Facebook's business tools, and it's where you'll find the option to create a business manager account. Make sure you're logged into your personal Facebook account, the one you would like to designate as the primary administrator. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the Business Manager page, look for the Create Account button. Clicking this will prompt you to provide some key information about your business. Now let's go over what you'll need to enter. Facebook will ask for the name of your business. It's important to use your legal business name here, as it speeds up the verification process later on. Next, you'll be asked to input your own name. Here, you'll be recognized as the primary admin, meaning you'll have control and oversight over the account and all related assets. Finally, don't forget to enter a business email address. This email will be where Facebook sends important account-related communications, so ensure it's one you check regularly. Once you've filled in all these details, submit the form. Promptly after, you'll need to switch over to your email inbox to complete the verification process. Look for an email from Facebook Business Manager. It should arrive shortly after you hit submit. In the email, there's a confirmation link you need to click. This step is absolutely crucial. Without verifying your email, you won't be able to move forward with setting up or accessing your Business Manager account. If the email doesn't appear almost immediately, check your spam or junk folder, just in case. And there you have it. Your Business Manager account should now be set up. This powerful tool will enable you to effectively manage and leverage your business's presence on Facebook. Remember, having everything centralized can save time and reduce confusion as you navigate different campaigns and assets. Don't forget, once your account is verified, you can start adding people, assigning roles, and linking pages and ad accounts. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in setting up your Facebook Business Manager with ease and confidence. If you have questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this one.